Boys and girls, there's a new animal at the barn. Sweetheart, you want to say hi to the boys and girls?
You have to be careful. Grandma, hello.
The donkey sees a little girl.
If you cry, don't be scared. Don't cry. Look. She said, don't cry, Mia. See? Come on. Come on, open your eyes. Here, Lama. That is you. That's donkey. Don't bite me, don't take big books. So good? I don't like the touch.
The donkey wants to see the little girl, boys and girls. Oh my God.
Oh, you kidding me?
Good luck trying to get inside an upside down pants. Oh, oh, oh my.
Watch out. It's a pig dance.
They took you away from your babies? Oh, I'm sorry. This is the mama with the black dot on her nose, boys and girls. Oh. They still love to play. Yeah, what is that ball? A blue ball. Yeah, let's play the ball. They like that ball. I'm gonna get a rub on that ball. You better come over and meet me. Can you give me a moo? Huh? Can you give me a moo? A moo for the boys and girls? Huh? Come on. Moo. Yes. Moo. Here's another one coming up to greet me. Hi, you're new on the farm, aren't you? You're new on the farm. Can you say moo to the boys and girls? Can you say hi there? I'm new at the farm. Huh? Come on, say hi. Come on, say hi to the boys and girls. Oh, here he comes, boys and girls. Here she comes. Say hi. Say hi. you a new sheep at the farm? Huh? You look like you are. I don't think I've ever seen you here before. You want to say hi to the boys and girls? Yes, you are new here at the farm. I have never seen you before. And the boys and girls are going to love you. Thank you. You said hello to the boys and girls, huh?